Hi there, welcome to the weekly Bitcoin session. We're looking at the weekly chart of Bitcoin and also these Wyckoff stages. Over the past few weeks, we have seen like red candles, but the price has been closing higher and higher, and the volume has been closing lower and lower. So there may be a chance for a little bit of upward movement. So if we look at the last distribution cycle, after the price came down from the up first, similar to what we had, it has a couple of LPSY. This time we had a second test, and then we haven't yet seen last blown of supply yet. So there may be a chance after the few weeks of drop, similar to here, that a little bit of slight upward motion would happen, and an LPSY would be defined over this week or next week, probably within March or early April. That's roughly what the Wyckoff scenario would be. There's another scenario, but less likely given the current market uncertainties, that it may have an upwards after distribution, that it breaks outside of the green line. Obviously, that's a very good sign for those people that are bullish. However, like I said, it's not an easy target. So let's take a look at the daily chart as well. So far, the price has been like still within this downward trend, the blue box, over the past few days. Let me adjust this box to cover the peaks better. So that's a tighter crop. And if the price continues this horizontal movement, similar to what we have seen over here, this 2 weeks of horizontal movement in February, from mid-Feb to actually early Feb to late Feb for 18 days before it finally hits the top edge of the blue box. It looks to me that currently it's developing similar behavior. So by the time we're seeing this red line over here, right? So if I enlarge this so it's easier for you to see. So by the time we come to somewhere end of this month, there may be another development. If there are no good news, there may be a chance that it's going to test the top edge. So either the yellow line first and then the top edge of the pink box. There can be a chance that it also try to hit the bottom of this box, depending on how quickly it drops. So if it develops some kind of upward motion, obviously it can disrupt this pattern. If it doesn't break out, it can hit this top end earlier, and then for like 3-4 days of a sharp drop, it will test both the bottom of the blue box as well as the top of the pink box. Then it can rebound from over there. So that's the 70,000 price level that we are talking about, 71, 72,000 over here. It hasn't tested this level for quite a while already. So it will be interesting to see, like after it's found support from the price level defined over here. That's where the PSY actually, above the PSY. That's probably somewhere around this cross, these two candlesticks crosses. This yellow line, this section with like 3-4 days of overlapping. If this line cannot hold, this support level cannot hold, then the next one would be the bottom of the blue box and also the top of the pink box. The pink box is a relatively longer short-term playground zone that was started like almost exactly a year ago. So let's see whether we'll return to this area in a few weeks time. Actually, it may be longer if it follows a gradual downward movement. So a scenario would be like end of this month, like it's the median, I would say. If a longer scenario that it lingers around the top edge, that would be late April, so it will be in 6 weeks time basically, that will see whether the price would seek a low and returns to this price range pretty much that people were trading for the entire 2024. That's a price range between 55 to 72,000. So let's wait and see. Thanks for joining. See you in a couple of days.